Welcome to TASMA. Try and solve mathematics with Akonwo. Here we give you objective questions to solve and video corrections to those questions. Our topic for today is standard form and indices. Standard form is a way of representing number in the form a times 10 raised to the power n, where a is a number between 1 and 10. You can achieve this by moving the decimal point till it gets to the front of the first significant figure. If the number is greater than 1, we will move the decimal point from right to left, while if the number is less than 1, we will move the decimal point from left to right. Looking at the first question, the decimal point is at the end, so we are moving it to in front of 4, so we move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That becomes 4.56 times 10 raised to the power 5. Pick the correct answer. The second example is also a number greater than 1. Same thing, we'll move the decimal point from right to left. So that means the decimal is coming to in front of 1. So we moved it 4 places. So our answer becomes 1.23546 times 10 raised to the power 4. Pick the answer. For the next example, the number is less than 1, so that means we will have a negative index as our answer. So we'll move 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer becomes 7.3 times 10 raised to the power minus 4. Number 4 question is like a reverse of what we have been doing. We want to write a number in standard form in full, 10 raised to the power 5. That means the points move from left to right. So we have 6.2. Move the decimal point in 5 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fill the empty spaces with 0. That means we have 620,000. For question 4, we have 4.5 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. You will notice that this index of 10 is a negative 1. We have minus 3. That means our decimal point will move to the left. So with this, we will write our 4.5. Then after that, we will move 1, 2, 3. The decimal point stops there. Fill the empty spaces with 0, then put a 0 before. So our final answer becomes 0.0045. Next question will take us to the laws of indices. Laws of indices, like the multiplication law and the division law, are applied when the bases are the same. For example, if we have p raised to the power m, p is the base while m is the index. So we use multiplication law when bases are multiplying same base. We use division law when a base is dividing another base. We use zero law and other laws accordingly. For this question, we have x raised to the power 3 multiplied by x raised to the power 4. Using multiplication law, that gives us x raised to the power 3 plus 4. Final answer, x raised to the power 7. Next question, 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3. That gives us 2 raised to the power 5 plus 3 using multiplication law. Final answer, 2 raised to the power 8. Next question will take us to division law. We do this by taking away powers. Y raised to the power 6 divided by y raised to the power 2. Using division law, that gives us y raised to the power 6 minus 2. Final answer, y raised to the power 4. Similarly, 5 raised to the power 7 divided by 5 raised to the power 4 gives us 5 raised to the power 7 minus 4. And that gives us a final answer of 5 raised to the power 3. Next example is power of a power. If we have an index number that is also a power of another index number, multiply the indexes. That gives us p raised to power 3 times 2, which is equal to p raised to power 6. Next example, 3 raised to power 2 all raised to power 4. Will give us 3 raised to power 2 times 4, which is equal to 3 raised to power 8. Zero index. Any number raised to power 0 equals 1. Q raised to power 0 is equal to 1. 7 raised to power 0 is also equal to 1. Negative index. Negative index means reciprocal. That is 1 all over the number you are given. M raised to power minus 3 is equal to 1 all over M raised to power 3. Similarly, 10 raised to power minus 2 is equal to 1 all over 10 raised to power 2, which is equal to 1 all over 100. Fractional index. X raised to power 1 over 2 means what smaller number can multiply itself twice to give you x. If it is raised to power 1 over 3, that means what smaller number can multiply itself 3 times to give you the x. So x raised to power 1 over 2 is the square root of x. X raised to power 1 over 3 is the cube root of x. X raised to power 1 over 4 is the fourth root of x. So 27 raised to power 1 over 3 is the cube root of 27. The cube root of 27 is equal to 3. 2 raised to power x is equal to 8. We will transform 8 to have a base of 2 by using prime factorization. 8 divided by 2, 4, divided by 2, 2, divided by 2, 1. Writing that, we will write it as 2 raised to power 3. That means 2 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 3. Since the bases are equal, cancel out the base. What do we have left? X equals 3. 10 raised to power minus y is equal to 0.001. To solve this, we will transform this 0.001 to a fraction or to standard form, anyone that suits us. Transforming it to a fraction, we have 1, 2. That means we will move the decimal point twice. So we have 1 all over 100. 1 all over 100 is equal to 1 all over 10 squared. We can then transform this to 10 raised to power minus 2. Now rewrite the question as 10 raised to power minus y is equal to 10 raised to power minus 2. Since the bases are equal, cancel out the bases. What do we have left? Minus y is equal to minus 2. Divide both sides by minus. Minus cancel out. So what do we have left? Y is equal to 2. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe.